Okay, so I wanted a power bank and I had three must-have features for the power bank. Number one, it should have fast charging, which simply means it should be able to charge fast and charge other devices fast as well. Number two, it shouldn't be too bulky, but it will still have enough juice to charge all my devices. Now, 30,000 mAh will be too bulky, and 10,000 mAh is not enough power for me. So 20,000 mAh is perfect. And number three, it should have a flashlight. We live in Nigeria, anytime NEPA can decide to take light, and we need a flashlight to find our way to put on generator. So yeah, it should have a flashlight. So I bought the Oraimo 20000 Pro and it ticks all these boxes. It has fast charging, it's 20,000 mAh, and it has a flashlight. Yeah. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the unboxing experience, everything we get in the box, and reviewing every aspect of the power bank to find out if you should buy it. And yeah, you should probably buy it, but still watch this video just to make sure. And I have a discount coupon code for you guys to use on the Oraimo store, so watch this video till the end. Let's get on with the review. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Before we begin, please do subscribe to our channel. I was hoping to get to 7,000 subscribers before the year runs out, but it looks like that's not happening. So let's try 5,000 subs in 3 weeks. Anyways, if you're new here or you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Also like the video so more people will get to see it. Thank you. Okay, so inside the box we get the power bank. It's actually quite small. It looked bigger in the pictures. Next, we get the welcome guide, aka manual. And lastly, we get a Type-C cable, and that's all we get. So the power bank is designed well and it feels pretty tough. It has this stripe pattern on the larger part of the power bank, but it feels pretty much the same all round. And it's actually not too heavy. It feels just right in the hand. It weighs 0.4 kilograms, about 0.9 pounds, not even up to a pound. So yeah, it's sort of a lightweight. At the bottom of the power bank, we see the capacity and the charging speeds for all the ports on the power bank. At the top, we see the flash, 2 USB Type-A ports, 1 Type-C port, and a micro USB port. At the front, we see the LED battery indicator. Right now, it's at 100%. On the left side is the button. Pressing on it once turns on the LED battery indicator. Pressing on the button twice turns on the flashlight. Pressing on it twice again activates SOS lighting alarm. And pressing on the button twice once more turns off the flashlight. If you hold the button down for 3 seconds, you activate low current charging mode to charge like your wireless earbuds or your smartwatch. Hold the button down again to return to normal charging mode. Now, how fast can the Oraimo 20000 Pro charge your phone? Let's start with the ports. Now, 3 of the ports can be used to charge, the 2 Type-A ports and the Type-C port. The Type-C port is capable of 20 watts of fast charging, while the Type-A ports are capable of 18 watts of fast charging. I don't own a phone that supports up to 20 or 18 watts of fast charging, but my phone supports 15 watts of fast charging, and yes, it charges up fast the same way to charge if I was using a normal 15 watts charger. Sorry, I can't show my phone in the video right now because my phone is my camera. It's also what's recording me right now, so I apologize. Subscribe so that I'll be able to get a better camera. Yeah, subscribe. So yes, it charges fast from all 3 charging ports, but how fast can the Oraimo 20000 Pro charge itself? Now, only 2 ports can be used to charge the power bank, the Type-C port and the micro USB port. They can both be used to charge the power bank at 18 watts. So I used up the power bank, it was completely dead. I plugged it in and 8 hours later it was full. So it took 8 hours to charge from 0 to 100% using a 15 watt charger. If you use an 18 watt charger or higher, it will charge in 7 hours, which is the same with other 20,000 mAh power banks with 18 watts of fast charging. So that's 7 hours to go from 0 to 100%. Now, what is the usable capacity of the Oraimo 20000 Pro? Well, I charged my phone a little over 4 times before the power bank was completely depleted. And I used the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, by the way, and it has a 4100 mAh battery capacity. which means that the usable capacity of the 20,000 mAh Oraimo Traveler 4 Pro is around 17,000 mAh, which is actually really good. Now, this is not totally accurate like on the dot. This is just my wuru testing. But yes, this power bank is actually really good. The Oraimo Traveler 4 Pro charges fast, it has great usable capacity, it also has a flashlight which does not actually affect the battery life. I turned it on for 5 hours straight and it was still full, the power bank was still full, so that's good. The power bank is also not heavy, very portable and easy to carry around. So if you're like me and you're looking for a power bank to buy, then yes, you should definitely buy this one. At the time of making this video, the Oraimo Traveler 4 Pro will cost you 13,780 naira, which is actually one of the most affordable 20,000 mAh power banks with 20 watts of fast charging that I have seen. And if you use my link and my coupon code, you get a 5% discount. So hurry up before Oraimo increases the price. Naira is depreciating every day. I'll leave the link to buy the power bank and the coupon code in the description box and also in the pinned comment. So head down there now, click on the link, apply the coupon code and get your 5% discount. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoes. Thank you so much for watching and you'd see me in my next video.